Hi, it's Chelsea here, and I thought it was about time that I show you everything that I've been working on crafty. These are all my current works in progress. So starting off with this crochet beach bag. This was actually a kit that I got for Christmas from Crochet Park, and it's come along so well. So all you had to do was create 3 of these granny squares in a particular size and then sew them together and you get this handbag. So I'm still working on it, but it's coming together really nicely. The other crochet project that I've been working on has been also a kit. This one from Craft Club, the Australian company. And this is what I'm making. Sunflower flower pot, and it's come along so cute. So this is the pot. How cute is that? And I love this little detail here, and it was so, just simple crochet stitches. And then, you create the soil for the pot, and then of course the sunflowers. These have been my favorite to make. I'm a bit addicted to making these now. Aren't they just so cute? And then you do have the stems that come with them and the leaves. Haven't quite finished them yet because I'm away and I need my hot glue gun, but I can just visualize how cute this is going to be for my desk. Now I am a knitter as well, and I've been working on this one for a while. This was a kit that I got from an overseas company. I'll put the name of it in, but the pattern is so gorgeous. But essentially I'm still working on the body. This was a top-down raglan knitted jumper, and it has the sleeves I'm almost about to start because I've put them on stitch holders for the moment. But this colour in this mohair has been, it's just so gorgeous. I just love the colour. It's been easy to knit with, and I've been doing it on 7mm needles, so not super tiny, which is really good. And I can really see it coming together. The sleeves will be in a bell style as well, so they have that nice fan edge. And the last kind of crafty project I've been working on has been something really new to me, and that has been beading. This is also a kit that I got for Christmas, a beaded bear. I haven't actually started it yet, but I kind of have, in the sense that I've been like researching and watching videos to learn how to do it, because I haven't done any bead crafting since I was quite young, and it was just flat, whereas this is 3D. So it'll be something new to learn, which is really good. I like to, keep the brain stimulated, always learning new things. Again, it comes with everything that you need. So that is everything that I'm currently working on. It's been nice to bounce around and do different things, from sunflowers, crochet, knitting to beading. It's been a really nice time off to just get the creative juices flowing, and I can't wait to continue working on more projects and getting them done and then starting new ones, because my Pinterest and my Instagram and my TikTok is just absolutely full of inspiration. So until next time.